Automatic bread maker machine with 17 settings, including gluten-free by KBS. The automatic bread maker machine with 17 settings, including gluten-free by KBS, is very stylish, and you will love it the moment you see it. It has a high-quality metal case, which will look beautiful in your kitchen. It has 17 settings, which is among the highest compared to other bread-making machines. It also has included some of the key features of any reliable bread maker. With it, you can set a 15-hour delay to bake and keep your bread hot for 1 hour after your bread is ready. If you have a large family, you can easily make a 2-pound size bread for them to enjoy in the morning. If 2 pounds is a lot of bread for you, you can choose a smaller size to bake from the machine's settings. Say goodbye to buying bread from the store, which has preservatives and high saturated fats. Start baking your own gluten-free bread with this machine, and you will absolutely love it.